Hello class, Professor Cisneros here, and this is the week 2 wrap-up. So in week 2, you took a look at the ongoing study process of reporting information that is coming in. So you took your originally assigned country, and now you've compared it to another. What I found to be very effective in presenting information is doing so in a chart. So in this case, you only had 2 countries, so it would be fairly easy to see, and you would just simply be comparing. You have your 2 countries at the top, and then you could have, say, what your safety reports are going to be, let's say, for Brazil and France, and you would just simply go across and see exactly for Brazil and France, what are your safety reports? What are the annual reports that you have to present? What are the semi-annual reports? What other reports? And you just make a list like that. And so when you see it in a chart, it's very easy to comprehend and understand and see exactly what needs to be done for each country. It becomes even more useful as the number of countries increases. Also, as you're asked questions, bold the question and then your answer. Bold the question and then your answer. It's very easy to be able to recognize exactly what questions you responded to. It's easier for you, and it's easier for your reader to see exactly how you responded to each of those requests for data or for information, whatever the case may be. I want to stress again to be sure that you're responding to the questions that are posed to you by other students and as well as myself, and do so in a timely manner. So moving on to week 3. Week 3, you've got a PowerPoint slide that is set up sort of like but it is a Gantt chart. You're going to take this for your country, and you're going to put all of the information as it relates to the timelines into those squares, starting in January. The instructions are there, but some points that I want to stress is assume that all of your sites from all of the countries will be included in a U.S. IND, so that way it's sort of a worst-case scenario type of situation. And in doing this, you can see and you'd be able to calculate exactly the total time to complete all of the tasks, such that you're able to, when you're able to start enrolling your first subject. And again, this makes it very easy to see when you're looking at different countries to see how long it is in a Gantt chart form. See how long is it going to take for when you begin the process to when you end and you're able to actually start enrolling. As always, post your slide by Friday. You're going to have a conversation. You're going to be going back and forth over the weekend. It's going to be important for you to download your classmates' slides because you're going to need that for week 4. In your slide, be sure that you have at least 3 references, of course, in APA format. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If it's a question that you think that your classmates will benefit, post it on the discussion board, questions to the professor. If it's something that you want to have an exchange with just myself, email me, text me, then alert me that the question is there. As a project manager, the days, the hours go very, very fast, and so it may be a while. Sometimes during the day I may not have an opportunity, or I just sort of get lost in the work I'm doing during the day, and it may be 4 or 5 hours before I'm able to look at what's going on in the discussion board and to check to see if there are any questions. But if you alert me, then I will be able to jump in there much quicker. So with that said, look forward to seeing you on the discussion board.